Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video in text effect intro for your blog with Filmora 11. Okay, so something will look like this. You can see that we have a text and we have a video inside the text and also a zoom in effect for the text. So I think this is a very interesting effect that you can apply for your blog and travel video or stuff like that. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. And being mentioned that Filmora 11 is a great software for a beginner who want to create YouTube video, vlog or stuff like that. If you want to download the software, I will put the link in the description. And if you want to purchase the license to remove the watermark, I have a 20% discount. I will put the link right here and also in the description also. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to create a text. So in order to create a text in Filmora 11, you need to go to the title tab right here. So remember, go to the title. Whenever you want to add text to your video, use a subtitle or end credit or anything like that, you want to go to the title. And the next thing, you want to find the default title. So the default title will be right here. So just click at the recommended folder. And then you need to select this one, the default title. By the way, you can use any template right here, but I just want to use the default title because it is easier for me to customize the text and also the animation. Okay, so you can click this button, this plus button, to bring it to the timeline. Just click here, and now we have a 5-second title on the timeline, and this is the title. And I'm going to click this button to view everything on the timeline. And the next thing, you want to customize the text, change the text fonts and size and make it bigger. Okay, to do that, you can just double click at the title box on the timeline and then you can change it. I'm going to put it text, just a simple one. And I'm going to select a big and bold fonts. So I'm going to select the impact and press enter. And also I want to change the size to 300. Okay, and enter. So I think it's cool because we have a big text right here. By the way, you can select any text, any fonts and any size, but remember you need to keep the background field or the text field in white and also a black screen right here. Okay, and the next thing, you want to select an animation for it. So I'm going to select the animation tab right here, and maybe I can select this one, wavy style or typewriter or cinema style, anything. Okay, just double click at the animation to get the animation for your text, and then you can click OK. And now I can preview it. Very nice, right? And the next step, you want to export this title or this video into MP4 and then import it to Filmora to overlay it on your video. Okay, in order to export, you need to click this button, export the video. Just click the export, and let's say we have text example. Okay, and I'm going to click the setting menu. Okay, so at the setting menu, I'm going to increase the bitrate to increase the frame rate to 60 frames per second, because in some case I want to make a slow motion for this video, so that's why I change it to 60 frames per second. For the bitrate, I can keep it at 30,000 kbps. Okay, and then I can click OK. And now I'm going to click the export button to export this video. Export it, and it will be very fast, so just wait some second. Okay, and now it finished, and we can click this button to open the folder, the exported folder. Okay, just click here. And we have this text. This is a text example. Okay, just leave it there, and then we go back to Filmora, go back to our project, and then go back to our media folder. Okay, and we can import this video to this folder, and we just need to open the folder here and drag and drop it to this project media. Okay, and now we have the video right here, and this is a video we can play. Nice, right? And now we can delete the title on the timeline. Okay, just delete it. And now we need to have a video so that we can overlay the title on top of the video. Okay, so I'm going to use a stock media. Let's go to my stock media right here and go to my download folder. And this is a new feature in Filmora 11. You have a stock media where you can access to all free video and image and zip file, stuff like that. It is very interesting. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. This is a video of a man using a camera. So I'm going to keep the project setting. Okay, so we have about 5 seconds. I want to make it about 5 seconds. So I'm going to just split the video right here, and then I'm going to delete it. And now we need to overlay the video, the text video on top of this video. So go back to my media and drag and drop this one on top right here. Okay, so we have a text video here. And the next thing, we want to change the blending mode of this text video to multiply to get rid of the black screen and put the video inside the text. Okay, to do that, we can just double click at the video, at the text video, and then go to video and select the compositing option. We have a drop down menu here. Just click here at the drop down menu and then select a blending mode. Click this menu to select a blending mode, and now we need to select multiply to get rid of the white background. Okay, just click multiply, and now you have the video inside the text. And let's click OK and play the video. Very nice, right? By the way, when the animation of the video finish, we want to zoom it so it will cover the whole screen and transition to the video clip. Okay, for example, let's play the video again. And at this position, I want the text to start zooming. Okay, so I can add a keyframe for it. To add keyframe, you can use this button, keyframing. Okay, so this is the first keyframe. Just click on that and we have the first keyframe. And then we need to move our playhead about some frame forward, maybe 5 or 6 frames. It's up to you. Okay, and then we can just increase the scale here. So the maximum scale in Filmora 11 is 400%. So we can just type here 400%, and then we can press enter. And now we have a zoom in effect for the text. And let's click OK. And now play again. Okay. By the way, in this position, when the text finishes zooming, I want to split the text video so that we transition to the video. Okay. So I'm going to select here and then split it here and then delete this one. And now we finish with the video in text effect in Filmora 11. Okay, so let's preview it. Very nice, right? So that is how to create video in text intro in Filmora 11. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you like the tutorial, let me know in the comment section below, and also click the like button. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.